earlier this year, I built a package where we can easily add comments in to our application. So I built wire comments because I felt there was a need to have an easy way to comment in Laravel with Livewire. So what we can go ahead and do here is easily go ahead and post any comment, in this case on wirecomments.tillythecoder.com. It is currently just under, in this case, a guest user because we can't authenticate here. But we can also go ahead and reply, cancel the reply, go ahead and add bold text in here, and other things such as that. It's a super neat editor. There's still a few things that needs to be improved on it. We can add reactions, can go ahead and remove the reactions, and do all those sort of things. Along with this updating here every now and then as well with the actual duration the comment was made. We can also go ahead and delete our own comment. We do this based on cookie-based authorization when it comes to guest users, and when it comes to authenticated users, you can delete comments based on user ID because we have a policy for that. So I'm going ahead and just deleting this, but all you have to do is just go ahead and compose a require this. So if we go ahead, you can see that it just requires it. Now inside wire content in this CMS course that I've been doing, I've already gone ahead and added this in a previous episode, which you can take a look at as well. But we can go ahead essentially and just say Livewire comments model, in this case it's the article model, and the emojis in here, and then we can go ahead and say things like allow guests to false, or we could go ahead and say in this case articles limit. We could go ahead and say maximum depth for the replies, and all those sort of things. Is just super convenient to be able to pass this information through. So you can take a look in greater detail as well on the documentation here. In here you can see we can go ahead and use the commentable trait, in this case on the article model. We go ahead and just say use commentable. If we take a look in here, we have more many relationship to the comment class. And essentially we can also need to have Livewire script config set up in our app.blade.php file. You decide which emojis you want to add in. We can allow guests. We can go ahead and say maximum depth of 3, add in a model card. You can select the markdown options from the ones available, set a limit on how many articles you want. We can also go ahead and customize the state directive here. So if we go ahead and make another comment, you can take a look that we can then post this. And you can see we have this here. We can customize how this should be displayed. Currently in this case we go ahead and we use date.js, and we then use UTC here as time zone, and then we go ahead and replace this time with a title and all that relevant information. And we also have access to use the markdown editor in other places in the application. So this is just a super easy way that you can set up wire comments. There's not much more you need to do outside of just implementing this and use commentable trait. That's all for this video though. Do let me know what you think of wire comments. You're also more than welcome to contribute to the project on GitHub. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.